Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about EC file conversion. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert your CSV file to Excel workbook online for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here. Go ahead and visit cloudconvert.com so you can see the website URL right here. So once you visit the site, it's going to take you to right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, click on convert right here. Then you have to make sure you come to spreadsheet. So you are converting from CSV file, then to what? Click on here to Excel right here. So go ahead and click on this format right here. And the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on select file. What you need to do here is to go ahead and look for where you have your CSV file. So I have the file in my download folder right here. So go ahead and look for the CSV file. So here we go. We have the CSV file right here. So go ahead and select the file. Having selected the file, go ahead and click on open. Then next thing you want to do is to click on convert right here. Finish conversion. Go ahead and click on download right here. Then you can see Microsoft Excel worksheet. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you click on save right here. And the file is going to be successfully downloaded, just like what you see right here. So you now can see that we have the file format as Microsoft Excel document. It's that simple. You can open this file now in your Microsoft Excel. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about file conversion like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.